Next concept is nature of the roots. Since we know the formula, quadratic formula for finding the roots, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Now 3 case we'll consider here. B square minus 4ac value. Suppose if it is positive, means this root will give some value. So here two roots will get here. One with the plus sign, that is minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a, and one with the minus sign, minus b minus, here minus sign, b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what we can write, if b square minus 4ac is positive, so roots are real. Real value will get here and two roots will get, isn't it? Minus b plus this root minus b minus this root will give two different value. So we can write roots are, roots means solution for the quadratic equation, roots are real, it will be real and distinct. So this is the nature of the roots. Okay. Now second case we can consider here. B square minus 4ac is 0. So this value, if you substitute in the formula, you will get minus b plus minus 0 will come divided by 2a. That means minus b by 2a. So x value will get minus b by 2a. But as I told you, degree of the polynomial decides the number of roots. So here quadratic polynomial. That means two roots should be there. Okay. So that means in this case, second case, minus b by 2a is repeating. So many times we have seen that we get the same values of x, 1 and 1 or 2 or 2. That means roots are repeating itself. So what we can say in this, roots are real. No doubt they will be real and equal. And equal. So this is the nature of the root if b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Third case is b square minus 4ac negative. So if we substitute in the formula minus b plus minus, this will be negative. So root of the negative term is not possible. So we can write square root. Here it is square root. So we can write therefore roots are not real. This is the third case. Now this value is called as delta. We denote this value as delta b square minus 4ac, which is called as discriminant. So we can write remark according to this, first, second and third. If delta is positive, roots are real and distinct. If delta equal to 0, roots are real but equal, and if delta is negative, roots are not real.